Hey, have you ever wondered why your water bottle keeps rolling on the bus even when you stop? Or why you lurch forward when the car suddenly brakes? That, my friends, is Newton's first law of motion in action, also known as the law of inertia. Here's what it means. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, unless something like friction or a wall gets in the way. Simple, right? But let me show you how it pops up in your everyday life. Think about your school backpack sitting on the floor. It's not moving and it won't move unless you give it a shove. That's inertia. The backpack just wants to chill unless you make it do something. Now imagine you're playing soccer. You kick the ball and it rolls across the field. It keeps moving straight and steady until the grass, your foot, or even the goalpost finally stops it. Again, that's inertia. The ball wants to keep going forever, but outside forces always step in. And here's a classic. When you're riding your bike and you suddenly hit the brakes, you feel like you're going to fly forward. That's your body's inertia. It wants to keep moving even when the bike stops. So next time you see something keep moving or stubbornly stay put, you'll know Newton's first law is at work. It's not just science talk. It's literally everywhere. Stay curious and keep spotting inertia in action.